13 is logarithm base 4 x plus logarithm base 2 of 2x equals 7. Let's do the chain of base. Logarithm base 2 of x over logarithm base 2 of 4 plus logarithm base 2 of 2x equals 7. So this is logarithm base 2 of 4 is equal to, so we have L logarithm base 2 of x over 2 plus, you expand logarithm base 2 of 2 plus logarithm base 2 of x is equal to 7. And this logarithm is equal 1. Logarithm base 2 of x over 2 plus logarithm base 2 of x is equal to 7 minus 1 que es 6. And logarithm base 2 of x is equal 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2. This is 3 over 2 logarithm base 2 of x equals 6. Now you multiply both sides by the reciprocal. The reciprocal is 2/3. Entonces is logarithm la multiplication by 2/3. Entonces this is cancelled. This is logarithm base 2 of x is equal, and 6 times 2/3 is 2/3 is 4. Now x is equal, the base is 2, the exponent is 4, is 16. Okay, now checking here. So 4 checking 4x equals 16. It's logarithm base 4 of 16 plus logarithm base 2 of 2 times 16 que es 32 should be 7. Okay, this is 2 and this is 5. This is 7 que es true. Now es obvio que the solution set is equal 16. Okay, this is 14 problem, 14 equation. It's logarithm base x of 36 is equal logarithm base radical 6 of x. Okay, I want to using chain of base formula, but I change everything to the base 6 of 36 over logarithm base 6 of x is equal logarithm base 6 again of x divided by logarithm base 6 of radical 6. Es obvio que this answer is 2 because 6 to the second power is 36. This is 2 over logarithm base 6 of x is equal logarithm base 6 of x, and the answer for this part is 1/2 because 6 is square root 6 is raised to the 1/2. So this is 1/2. Okay, now you apply the cross multiplication, multiply this times this times this. So you have logarithm base 6 of x multiplied by itself, this square, is equal 1, because 2 times 1/2 is 1. Okay, this looks like a quadratic equation. But okay, to see much better, I want to define u like a logarithm base 6 of x. Entonces u squared equal 1, square root both sides, u is equal plus and minus 1. Entonces 4, u equal 1. In this equation we have logarithm base 6 of x equal 1. Then x is equal 6 to the 1 power, que es just 6. And for u equal -1, logarithm base 6 of x equal -1 is x is equal 6 to the -1, que es 1/6. Okay, let's check if both answer in the original equation. Okay, let's do it first. Checking for the first answer, que is x equal 6. Is logarithm base 6 of 36 is equal logarithm base radical 6 of 6. Okay, this is 2. It's obvious it's 2. And this is not clear, but you can change the base. Suppose change to the basic is logarithm base 6 of 6 over logarithm base 6 of radical 6. This is 1. And this is 1/2. And reciprocal 1/2 is 2. 2 equal 2 is perfect. Now checking for x equal 1/6 is logarithm base 1/6 of 36 should be equal, I don't know if it's true or false, logarithm of radical 6 1/6. Okay, one more time. I change the base, also is change to the base 6 of 36 over logarithm base 6 1/6 is equal logarithm base 6 of the 1/6 over logarithm base 6 of radical 6. This is 2. This is -1. Why -1? Because 1/6 is like a 6 raised to the -1. Like y here is -1, and this is 1/2. And when you apply cross multiplication, when you multiply this times this, 2 times 1/2 is 1. And -1 times -1 is 1. Okay, also is perfect. Now, solution set for this equation is solution set is equal 6 and 1/6. Two solutions. Okay, equation 15 is logarithm radical 2 base radical 2 of x plus logarithm cubic root base cubic root 2 of the x again plus logarithm base 4 root of 2 of x is equal 27. Chain of, using the chain of base formula, but using the chain in the base 2. This square root 2 is like a 2 1/2. Therefore the answer is logarithm base 2 of x divided by 1/2. Likewise, logarithm base 2 of x divided by the same reason, because this is 2 to the 1/3. So it's 1/3 plus logarithm base 2 of x over 1/4, because exactly the same. This is 2 raised to the 1/4 equal 27. Okay, so now this is like a 2 logarithm base 2 of x plus 3 logarithm base 2 of x plus 4 logarithm base 2 of x equal 27. Okay, in this moment we combine like term. This is 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 4 is 9. And 9 logarithm base 2 of x equal 27 divided by 9 both sides. X logarithm, sorry, base 2 of x is equal 3. So you convert to exponential, the base is 2, the exponent is 3, is equal x, get the answer is 8. I have to checking in the original here. So logarithm base radical 2 of 8 plus logarithm base cubic root 2 of 8 plus logarithm 4 root 2 of 8 should be equal 27. Okay, let me try to manipulate again using chain of base formula. Because I change everything to the base 2, similar to the solution. Logarithm base 2 of 8 over logarithm base 2 of radical 2 plus logarithm base 2 of 8 again over logarithm base 2 of cubic root of 2 plus logarithm base 2 of 8 over logarithm base 2 of 4 root of 2. Let's see what happens. This is logarithm base 2 of 8 is 3. This is 3, 3, 3. 3 over something. And this is 1/2. We saw before this. Plus 3 again over 1/3. Plus 3 again over 1/4 is equal. This is, you apply here a reciprocal, so that you copy 3 and divide by, I flip it, 1/2 gets 2, so 2 times 3 is 6, plus 9, likewise 3 times 3 plus 12. And this is equal 27. Good. Perfect. True. Therefore, the solution set is just 8. Okay, the last question is 16. 16 is logarithm base 2 of bracket and another logarithm inside but base 4 of x plus logarithm base 4 bracket again logarithm base 2 of x close the bracket equal 1/2. Okay, for solving this equation I propose again change this inner logarithm using the change of base formula in base 2 over logarithm base 2 of 4 and the rest stay the same. And logarithm base 2 of 4 is 2. So we have logarithm base 2 of the logarithm base 2 of x over 2 plus logarithm base 4 of the logarithm base 2 of x equal 1/2. Okay, entonces in this moment I propose one substitution. Suppose u, the auxiliary variable, equal logarithm base 2 of x to see much better. So we have logarithm base 2 of u over 2 plus logarithm base 4 of u equal 1/2. In this case, one more time, I try to manipulate in order to convert using the logarithm of the same base. I use a chain of base formula. This is logarithm base 2 of u over logarithm base 2 of 4. Okay, one more time, this is 2. So we have logarithm base 2 of u over 2 plus logarithm base 2 of u divided by 2 equal 1/2. Entonces, in this moment, okay, I want to expand this. So you expand, and we have logarithm base 2 of u minus, because this is division, logarithm base 2 of 2 plus logarithm base 2 of u over 2 equal 1/2. And this is 1. This is equal to 1. So we have logarithm base 2 of u. We're using here. So I bring -1 to the right hand side. I do the factorization logarithm base 2 of u. We have 1 plus 1/2 is equal 1/2 plus 1. Okay, by the way, it's 3/2. 3/2 here, and 1 plus 1/2 is also 3/2. Okay, let me continue here. Entonces es like a logarithm base 2 of u multiplied by 3/2. 3/2 at the front is equal to 3/2. Multiply the whole thing by 2/3, get reciprocal. Cancel out this, cancel out that. Logarithm base 2 of u equal 1. Now the conclusion is u is equal to, so 2 to the 1, is 2. But here, who is u? U is, who is in this expression, 2 is equal logarithm base 2 of x, the x is 2 to the second power, que 4. So x equals 4. You must check this answer. Okay, let me try to check in super fast in this corner. Let's see here. Suppose 4. Plugging in 4 in the original. And the original is. Okay, ready. Logarithm base 2 of logarithm base 4 of 4 plus logarithm base 2 of logarithm base 2 of 4 should be half, 1/2. Okay, logarithm base 4 of 4 is 1. Logarithm base 2 of 1 plus logarithm base 2 and logarithm base 2 of 4 is 2. No, sorry, this is 4 here. This is logarithm base 2 of 4 is 2. Should be equal 1/2. Let me see if it's good now. This is 0. Logarithm 1 is 0. So we have logarithm base 4 of 2 equal 1/2. You change, for example, to apply again chain of base formula. Is logarithm base 2 of 2 over logarithm base 2 of 4 is equal 1/2. This is 1. Logarithm base 2 of 2 is 1. And logarithm base 2 of 4 is 2. 1/2 equal 1/2. Okay, super. Entonces, the solution set for our equation, our equation is 4. Just 4. This equation.